All right, now, students, good morning to all of you. I am missing all of you. Now we have to, you can say, study ourselves, keep ourselves, you can say, at home in the safe side. See, last time we have done this one, you can say Act 3, Scene 1. It was Act 2 and Scene 2. Last time, Act 3, Scene 2 we have finished, and like this I have explained, given you can summary in gist. Now you see here, line number 12. Line number 12, see. Antonio says, a side to Sebastian. A side just goes away from other characters. And Antonio tells Sebastian, I am right glad that he is so out of home. Now see, Antonio says, I am very glad that Alonso has given up, you can say, his hope that his son is drowned in the ocean and he is no more. Simply, or you can say, without any reason, uselessly, you can say they are exhausting themselves by searching, you can say, ordnance on the island. Okay, do not for one repulse, for both the purpose, that you resort to, you can say, effect. Now you can say, he says here, and what you can say? He says, don't give up, you can say, our plan, our scheme. We have made, you can say, one plan to, you can say, kill Prospero. That plan we have to carry, we have to carry out. Do not for one repulse. He says here, okay, we should not, you can say, give up the plan which we had resolved to, you can say, carry out. So we had, you can say, decided, resolve means we had, you can say, determined ourselves to, you can say, carry out this, you can say, scheme, this plan to kill Prospero and become the king on this island. So we should not, you can say, give up the plan which we had resolved to carry out just because we have failed, you can say, in our first attempt. In our first attempt we have failed. So we should not, you can say, give up our scheme. The scheme of killing Prospero. Alright, now say yes, Sebastian. Sebastian says, aside to Antonio. Once again you can say aside away from other characters on the stage. What he says here? The next advantage we will take thoroughly. He says, okay, next time, our next opportunity will not be, you can say, postponed. It will not be, you can say, just forgotten or you can say overlooked. We will make use of, you can say, our, you can say, next opportunity. So we will thoroughly make use of the next opportunity which offers itself to, you can say, kill Prospero and become the king, you can say, of this island. Now Antonio tells, you can say, Sebastian, okay, once again they side away from other characters. Okay, they will talk, you can say, slowly. Let it be tonight. He says, okay, let us do it tonight. We will, you can say, carry out, you can say, this plan, okay, tonight. Okay, because being now, you can say, of course, greatly tired of the, you can say, exertion of, you can say, of course, walking, they will not, you can say, you can say, able to exercise that, you can say, vigilance, which of course they can when, you can say, they are, you can say, fresh. Now see, this plan is also, you can say, to kill, you can say, of course, Alonso. Once you can say Sebastian kills Alonso, then of course you can say he will become the king of Naples. Now say here, decide to Sebastian. What he says here? Let it be tonight. Okay, let us, you can say, of course, do it tonight. For now they are oppressed, you can say, with trouble. This you can say Alonso and you can say his courtiers, they are, you can say, exhausted. They are completely, you can say, exhausted. They are, you can say, fatigued. They are, you can say, tired. Okay. So being, you can say, now greatly, you can say, tired, you can say, of the exertion of walking on the, you can say, island in search of, you can say, coordinates. Okay, they will not be, you can say, of course, active. They will not, you can say, of course, feel fresh. They will be, of course, you can say, feeling quite lethargic. Okay, now see, they will not be able to exercise that vigilance. They will not be, you can say, aware of themselves. You can say, as you can say, man, you can say, is aware of himself when, you can say, he is fresh. When they are fresh. So when they will be, you can say, of course, vigilant, when you can they will not be, you can say, quite cautious because of their fatigue, their tiredness, and so on. As when they are, you can say, as when they are fresh. Okay, so tonight you can say, here see, one plan was that one to kill, you can say, Prospero. They have, you can say, made, you can say here. This Stefan, Trinko, and you can say here, Caliban. Now see these characters, Antonio, Sebastian, they are actually a plan to kill, you can say, Alonso, the king of Naples, and after killing, you can say, of course, Alonso, Sebastian, you can say, will be entitled to become the, king of Naples, and nobody will be, you can say, of course, there, object him, and they say, Alonso, she can say, daughter, Claribel, she is, you can say, far away, you can say, from, of course, Naples, more than, you can say, 1,000, you can say, leagues, or you can say, 1,000 furlongs, you can say, on the ocean. So, she will not be able to come and dominate Naples. So, you can say they have, you can say, plan to kill Alonso. Now, say, Sebastian, what Sebastian says, aside to Antonio, okay, I say tonight, no more. So, he says here, okay, I say that we will do it, you can say, tonight. Tonight, you can say, we will do that. Okay, now speak no further. Now you can say, don't speak, you can say here, any more word. Solemn and strange music, you can say, is heard. Solemn, you can say, serious, and strange music, you can say, is heard by, you can say, Alonso, Gonzalo, even you can say, Antonio and Sebastian, they are there, and you can say here. Now see, Antonio, Alonso says, what harmony is this? Now you can say, he is asking. Alonso is asking, what kind of music is this? Yes, actually we know that area, you can say, is of course operating, you can say, musical instruments. My good friends, he says, my good friends, okay, listen to it, this solemn and strange music. Now Gonzalo says, marvelous sweet music. He says here, it is a wonderful sweet music. In other words, also you can say, it is wonderfully sweet music. Now we can say, see, enter Prospero above, invisible. Prospero also, you can say, becomes invisible. Enter several, you can say, strange shapes. Many, you can say, strange shapes, characters, because they appear on the stage. Bringing in a banquet. They are bringing sumptuous, you can say, food, dishes, and so on. They dance about it. The dance, you can say, about, you can say, food, with gentle actions of salutation. And then you can say, saluting, you can say, Alonso, Gonzalo, and you can say, others, those who are, you can say, there. Okay. And inviting the king, and then you can say, inviting, you can say, here, Alonso, the king, and others to eat. Then you can say, inviting, come and take your, you can say, seats, and you can say, start eating. They depart, and those, you can say, strange shapes, those, you can say, there is space, subordinates, you can say, to, of course, area, they, you can say, disappear. Now Alonso says here, give us kind, keep us heavens. Now Alonso, you can say, says, he prays to God. He says, oh God, send us some, you can say, kind-hearted, you can say, of course, protectors, kind-hearted protectors. Please send us, you can say, good people, kind people, to be hospitable to us. What were these? Who are, you can say, these persons? Who are, you can say, these characters? Whom we just saw, you can say, now. Sebastian says, the living drollery. Okay, now Sebastian makes it very clear. He says it was, you can say, a puppet show. Living drollery. You can say it was a puppet show. Now I will believe that they are unicorns. Unicorns means mythical animals. Mythical animals. So he says, Sebastian says, now I will believe that there are unicorns. Now I will believe that there are, you can say, mythical animals. Because those, you can say, spirits, attendants, okay, to, you can say, Ariel, they disappeared after bringing, you can say, sumptuous food and dishes and tables, okay, all these tablecloths, chairs, everything they brought the food, and they invited, you can say, Alonso to come and take your, you can say, seat and start eating. That is why Sebastian says here, now I will believe that, what? There are unicorns, there are mystical animals. That in Arabia there is one tree. In Arabia, okay, Muslim country. Arabia, there you can say is one tree. There is one tree. The phoenix throne. That tree you can say is throne. Okay, throne you can say for a bird called phoenix. Okay, one phonics at this hour running there, and only one you can say, of course, phonics will you can say combinate at one time. See here reference is given phonics, a non-existent god. According to a myth, there is only one god of this kind at any one time. It lives for 5 or 6,000 years in the Arabian desert. For 5 or 600 years in Arabian desert, and then burns itself to death. And then that god, you can say, that god will get you can say burnt, and out of that you can say ash, another god you can say is of course born. From its ashes arises another god of the same kind, and the same you can say process you can say is then repeated, and this process you can say is repeated once again. Now you see, Antonio says, before that, okay, here, Sebastian has not finished. So, a living brothering, now I believe that there are unicorns, that in Arabia there is one tree, the phonics throne, one phonics at this hour running there. Only one you can say god, phonics dominates you can say at one you can say hour. At this hour, at that time, you can say at a time, only one you can say god you can say will dominate. Now Antonio, I shall believe both. Now say Antonio says, he will believe you can say both the unicorn and you can say this phonics. Unicorn you can say is a mystical animal, and phonics you can say of course non-existent animal, or you can say bird. Non-existent you can say, yes, a bird, non-existent bird. Okay, so he says I will believe in both this in phonics as well as in unicorns. And what does she want you can say credit? And now you can say, he says here, Antonio, if there is any other you can say here, unbelievable you can say story. If there is another you can say story which is unbelievable, okay, let me hear that story. Let me hear that story, and I will you can say believe that. And I shall be sworn you can say it's true. And I will swear that you can say this story you can say is true. A story which is unbelievable, okay, I will accept that a story you can say is true. Travelers never did lie. Okay, travelers, those who can say travel from one place to other place, they never you can say tell lies. Though fools at home you can say condemn them, but fools, those who stay at home, they are you can say of course unaware of you can say your outer world. So they will be of course innocent to you can say this kind of stories. So they are you can say considered fools according to Antonio. So though fools at home, the fools you can say stay at home, condemn them. And when you can, they are told you can say this kind of stories about unicorn, phonics, this unbelievable story, okay, they can say refuse to believe them. They refuse to you can say accept it. They refuse to you can say believe in that kind of story. Then say here Gonzalo. What Gonzalo says here? Gonzalo says, if in Nepal, I should report this now. If I go to Nepal and you can say, tell you can say about this unbelievable you can say stories, or you can say unicorn, or you can say phonics, then nobody you can say will of course believe me. Would they believe me? He is putting this question. Will they believe you can say? Will the people of you can say England, people of course Britain, will they believe me? If I should say I saw such islanders, if I tell them I saw you can say this kind of course can say spirits on Prosperous you can say islands, will they believe me? They won't believe. For certes means certainly. For certainly these are people of the island. He says certainly these you can say spirits whom we saw here on this island, there you can say inhabitants okay, of this island. There you can say staying on this island. Alright, now see, who though they are of monstrous shape, okay, this you can say spirits. Who though they are of monstrous shape, there you can say of course having huge shape, ugly and deformed you can say shapes, these spirits you can say have. Yet you can say, just you note you can say carefully. Take note, you can say, of their manners, their behavior. Their manners are more gentle, kind than of our human generation. There you can say, manners are, you can say, of course, more you can say, gentle, okay? They are you can say, kinder than you can say our population you can say of England or Britain. You should find many, almost any. Okay, it says here, in fact, kinder than you can say, of course, kinder than our people you can say in England, kinder, and you can say in manners, okay, so there you can say more polite and gentle. These spirits whom we saw you can say on the island. So he says, Gonzalo makes it very clear. Okay, first of all he says, if I tell you this, my people in England about you can say this unicorn, you can say, and phonics, and this unbelievable story, they will not you can say accept it. And those who are you can say at home, they are you can say considered fools. And of course, they will not you can say, they will not accept this kind of course the story, this kind of course you can say creatures and so on, magical creatures, magical animals and so on. And then it says the spirits whom we saw you can say on the island, there you can say more you can say gentle, more their behavior you can say is more you can say refined than you can say our people in England. In fact, the spirits you can say manner behavior you can say is more gentle. They are you can say kinder than our people in England. Now see, Prospero says aside, okay, he goes you can say away from you can say other characters. Honest Lord, he says here, honest Lord you can say Gonzalo, thou hast said well, okay, you have you can say spoken the truth, you have told the truth. Some of you, they are present, some of you, who are there? There is Alonso, Antonio and Sebastian. Present are worse than evils. So these characters, Alonso, Sebastian and Antonio, they are you can say worse than you can say of course devils, because they hatched a plan, they made a plan. Okay, Antonio you can say made you can say Alonso, he had you can say alliance with him, he you can say requested him, he requested Alonso, Antonio requested Alonso, and you can say took help from you can say Alonso, and he wanted to respect and pay tribute, and you can say get you can say Antonio you can say help. Okay, get you can Antonio wanted to get you can say help from Alonso. So you can say he says these three characters are you can say here worse than you can say devils. Alonso, Antonio and Sebastian. Now see Alonso says here, I cannot too much use such you can say shapes. Now you can say of course Alonso you can say okay, yes, I am surprised you can say a lot. I cannot too much use such shapes. You can say I am surprised you can say here a lot. Such gesture and such sound you can say here expressing. In fact he says my surprise at having seen you can say these creatures is infinite. Okay, I am surprised you can say a lot. Okay, and I am fully you can say I am fully justified you can say in feeling so much surprised. Okay, I am fully justified in feeling so much surprise you can say, because I have not seen this kind of course you can say here creatures anywhere in the world. I cannot too much use such shapes, such gesture and such sound. Okay, their gestures and their sound. Their gestures and sound, they are you can say devoid of these spirits. Okay, expressing, where you can say of course, indeed you can say here amazing. Okay, their gestures and of course their sound was quite you can say amazing. They were of course trying to communicate you can say through gesture, through action, through style and so on. Although they want the use of tongue, in fact these spirits on the island, they lacked you can say here the use of tongue. They you can support they were of course devoid you can say of their you can say voice. They were not you can say speaking anything. Only through action and gesture they were able to you can say convey you can say their feelings and so on. A kind of excellent dumb discourse, a kind of excellent superb you can say here quiet discourse. Okay, stop.